After a New York court ordered the US government to respond to a motion filed by Nikhil Gupta's lawyers seeking material relating to the charges against him, the US government has objected to the motion. The US government objected, saying it will provide the information only upon Nikhil Gupta's appearance in the New York court and arraignment in the case. Indian national Nikhil Gupta was detained in a Czech prison on murder for hire charges in a foiled assassination attempt on a Khalistani extremist. Gupta, who is 52, was charged by federal prosecutors here in an indictment unsealed in November last year with working with an Indian government employee in the foiled plot to kill Khalistani separatist Gurpatwant Singh Pannun, who holds dual US and Canadian citizenships on American soil. Gupta was arrested in Prague, the Czech Republic on June 30, 2023 and is being held there currently. The US government is seeking his extradition to America. Gupta's attorney filed a motion to compel production of discovery on January 4th in the US District Court, Southern District of New York, requesting the court to district federal prosecutors to provide the defense materials relevant to its ability to defend the instant charges. US District Judge Victor Marrero had on January 8 given the government 3 days' time to respond to the motion filed by Gupta's attorney. The government, in its reply filed with the district court on Wednesday, said that the government stands ready to provide discovery to him like any other criminal defendant promptly upon his appearance and arraignment in the district. It also added that his motion to compel discovery should be denied. Gupta's counsel in New York has said in his motion that the attorney representing Gupta in Prague in his extradition proceedings stated that no evidence or documentation of any sort has been given to him other than the US indictment itself. Gupta has been interviewed in Prague by groups of US agents and continues to be interviewed, and yet the US government has released nothing except an indictment. He also added that an order compelling discovery is particularly appropriate here, as Gupta is being subject to repeated interrogations by US officials without the presence of the counsel representing him in his criminal case. The government in its motion rejected Gupta's assertion that he has been subjected to repeated interrogations by US officials without the presence of the counsel representing him in his criminal case, and said that he has met only twice with US law enforcement authorities, the second time in the presence of the counsel in the Czech Republic, and when he declined to be interviewed, the meeting concluded. They also added that on both occasions, Gupta was advised of his rights. Meanwhile, India has already constituted a probe committee to investigate the allegations.